After working successfully the last 6 years with online business owners in different spaces, such as coaching, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and people who run their own communities, I created an 100% free email marketing course which can help you set up in a couple of hours your own fully automated email marketing system and increase your profits without spending more time working in your online business. The only thing you will need to do is set up the system and then just compose 2, 3, 4, 5 emails per week for your audience. So if you click the link down in the description of this video, you will see the page with the reviews from my clients. Then click any of those green buttons. And on the next page, you will see the part 1, which can help you set up a professional email account the right way, and then to set up your fully automated email marketing system. I explain everything step by step and in a beginner friendly way, so even if you are a startup, you can set up your fully automated email marketing system in just a couple of hours. So click the link down in the description of this video as long as I give this email marketing course 100% free of charge.